everybody. It's Mr. M again with Fundations. And what do we work with when we work with Fundations? Mostly we work with letters, and I got a few letters here for you to work with. So what letters are these? Read them with me. No, not the sounds. We're going to read the names first. M-I-S. Yes. So now, how do you sound these out? Tap these out with me. We got 3 letters. So miss. Put that together for me. What do you got? Miss. There's one problem. These letters make the sound miss, but that is not how you spell the word miss. There's a couple of things that miss can mean. What does it mean? It's a title that you give to an unmarried woman, although I don't know why we give special titles to married and unmarried women, where we don't do that with men. We just call them Mr., but, you know, that's why we have the word Ms. instead. So, that's one thing. It also means to not hit something. You missed the ball. You missed class. You miss. Anyway, the word miss is not spelled M-I-S. How is it spelled? Well, it's spelled in something that sounds the same way, but it has something extra. And today we're going to learn about that something extra. It's a bonus letter. It has an extra word at the end, extra letter at the end. M-I-S. What do you think the last letter will be? S. Keeps the same sound. It's not really a silent letter because it just makes more S. Sometimes some words have a bonus letter at the end. They have maybe just 3 sounds, but 4 letters. And it's not a digraph because it makes the same, it doesn't make a new sound. It is just a bonus letter. Let's see, what happens if we take this M away and put in another letter? What does this say? Kiss. K-I-S-S is kiss. Now, this could spell kiss, but it doesn't. That's not how we spell kiss. It makes the right sounds. Kiss. But it's actually this. Is. No. It doesn't make a longer S sound. Is. But it's there because it's a bonus letter. Some words have this and some words don't, and it is not always an S. What's this word? Yes. It is yes. What about this word? Let's tap it out. Bus. This is exactly how you spell the word bus. And this is exactly how you spell the word yes. There's no bonus letter on those. So how do you know when there's a bonus letter and when there isn't? Well, some of it's a rule and some of it is just remembering. So part of the rule is that you get a short remembers the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The thing is, each of the vowels has at least 2 sounds, right? The vowel can say its name, sound like A, or E, or I, or O, or U, almost saying its name. Or in the beginning of a word, it says its name, union. But it can also have another sound. That's called when it says its name, that's called the long sound. When it doesn't say its name, other sounds are called the short sound. Such as the A in apple, and E in get, and the I in bit, and the O in pot, and the U in under. Those are different sounds. It's not the name. Those are the short sounds. The letters that aren't vowels are called consonants. Basically all the letters except for A, E, I, O, and U. So a lot of time a short vowel gets a long set of consonants after it. Gets two. Not always. Pa, get, bit. None of those have bonus letters, but sometimes they do. We just have to learn which are which. Let's take a look at the word. What is that word? Tap it out for me. And we know it's not boof. Why? This is where the bonus letter comes in handy. We know it's not. We know how to spell it. How do you pronounce the U? We know it's not boof because it's got two F's at the end, so it has to be the short sound. Buff. How about the word? If you get rid of the B, can you sound that out for me? C at the beginning of a word is usually, but not always, ah. And how about this one? This is one I know a lot of you like. I love this word. There's a kind of slime like this. It's longer. Fluff. Also has a bonus F at the end. Now, you can mark your words to get used to the bonus letter. You can mark and learn how to say it, and then it doesn't make an extra sound. We can mark it like this. Let's go back to our first word, miss. Do you see that over the second S? That's the bonus letter. And we put a little star over a little. It's called an asterisk. You can just call it a star. Put that little mark over it to show that it's a bonus letter, so we don't need to spend extra time saying it. So let's take a look at this. Yes. Do not miss the bus. What do you notice? Some of the letters are bonus letters. Some of the words have bonus letters. And some do not have bonus letters. You just have to learn which ones are which. You can do it. You have time. Okay, everybody. That is our lesson on bonus letters. And there's going to be some work for you to do attached. Alright? See you later.